I'm Holly, and I'm the children's librarian at Alamosa Public Library in Alamosa, Colorado, and this is Storytime Online. I'm just getting back from a fun morning at the Rio Grande Farm Park here in Alamosa. If you want to have a great day at the farm park, you can go with your family on a family work day and also earn a stamp for your Weekends on the Rio passport. Now that I'm back here at the library, let's enjoy some stories. It's time to share a story, a story, a story. It's time to share a story today with brothers and sisters and good guys and bad guys. It's time to share a story today. But first, let's take a look at our last project pack for our summer reading program. Our theme this week is heroes and villains. And that might sound like a pretty cut and dry subject. Superman, Wonder Woman versus Catwoman and the Joker. Good guys versus bad guys. But as we explore in our project pack, you'll see that sometimes the subject of heroes versus villains can be a little nuanced, complicated, a little not so easy to explain. Because sometimes characters in stories, or even people in real life, can seem like a hero or a villain at first, but through their actions show that maybe they're a little of both. We all make mistakes sometimes, and we all make really great choices sometimes. So you see, heroes and villains, it can get a little bit complicated. In your project pack, you will find 2 characters that your friendly Alamosa Public Library librarians designed just for you. And your job will be to write or tell their story. Are they heroes? Are they villains? Are they a little bit of both? In our stories today, you'll see some characters who might seem like heroes, might seem like villains, or maybe a little bit of both. Let's read. Our first story is called The Evil Princess versus the Brave Knight. And this story was written by a sister and brother team, Jennifer L. Holm and Matthew Holm. There once lived an evil princess and a brave knight. They shared a castle. They shared a manky cat. But there were issues. It was not a very peaceful kingdom. The evil princess wasn't sorry. That's what an evil princess does. Their magic mirror said calm must prevail. So unfair. And sent them both to their rooms. Slam, slam. The evil princess used the time to practice being evil. She sat on her evil throne. I need fluffier pillows. She searched her library for inspiration. 101 spells to torment annoying brothers. Her subjects trembled at her power. Zap! Kablam! Sigh. She soon realized it wasn't much fun being evil by herself. Meanwhile, the brave knight got down to the business of being brave. He protected the castle. The brave knight draws his sword. He battled fierce monsters. Ah! That's what a brave knight does. He soon realized it wasn't much fun being brave by himself. Their magic mirror said they could come out of their rooms if they promised to play nicely. Sure. Wow. It was boring. We need a quest. Good idea. It didn't take long to find one. There's a damsel in distress across the moat. Although honestly, the damsel was perfectly comfortable. The brave knight leapt into action. He dodged the hungry dragons in the moat. He freed the fair maiden from her prison. And he delivered her to safety. That's what a brave knight does. Ah! Shove, splash. That's what an evil princess does. She wasn't sorry. War! Yank. That's not what a brave knight does. He wasn't sorry either. Their magic mirror was not amused. Who made this mess? It didn't seem like a good time to be evil or brave. The cat did it. What? They still had to clean up the bathroom. The brave knight volunteered to get fresh towels from the laundry room. That's what a brave knight does. The evil princess knew what she had to do to restore balance to the kingdom. And she wasn't sorry. The end? So you see, sometimes heroes and villains can get a little bit complicated. Was the evil princess evil all the time? What did you think about the brave knight? Was he brave and chivalrous all the time? Before we read our next story, let's get up and move around a little bit. Our next story has to do with bunnies, so I thought we could sing a funny song about a bunny in a burrow that makes us get up and hop around. It's to the tune of a song you might know called My Bonnie Lies Over the Ocean. When we say any word that starts with a B sound, you're going to stand up. And if another B word follows that word, you're going to sit back down. So it goes like this. My bunny hops into his burrow. My bunny hops wild and free. My bunny hops into his burrow. Please bring back my bunny to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my bunny to me, to me. Bring back, oh, bring back my bunny to me. Whew. Let's read our next story, which happens to be about a bunny. This story is called Wolfy the Bunny. It's written by Ame Dyckman and illustrated by Zachariah O'Hora. Wolfy the Bunny. I wonder if she's the villain. Look at her eyebrow. But I guess you can't always judge a character just by looking at them. What about this wolf? that's pretending to be a bunny in a basket. Maybe he's the villain and she's the hero? I don't know. We'll have to read to find out. The bunny family came home to find a bundle outside their door. They peeked, they gasped. It was a baby wolf. He's adorable, said Mama. He's ours, said Papa. He's going to eat us all up, said Dot. But Mama and Papa were too smitten to listen. Wolfie slept through the night. Dot did not. Mama served carrots for breakfast. He likes them, said Mama. He's a good eater, said Papa. Speaking of eating, said Dot, he's going to eat us all up. But Mama and Papa were too busy taking pictures to listen. Dot's friends came by to see the baby. He's sleeping, whispered Mama. He's a good sleeper, whispered Papa. He's going to eat us all up, they screamed. No kidding, said Dot. Let's play at your house. For the first time, Wolfie cried. But Dot was too far away to hear him. When Dot returned, Wolfie was waiting. Everywhere Dot went, Wolfie went too. He's drooling on me, said Dot. He's a good drooler, said Papa. The days passed and Wolfie grew. So did his appetite. When Mama opened the cupboard, she got a surprise. The carrots, said Mama. They're gone. Oh no, said Papa. He ate them all up, said Dot. Dot fetched the carrot bag, but she did not get far. He wants to help, said Mama. He's a good helper, said Papa. He's going to... Oh, skip it, said Dot. I've got my eye on you, Buster. Her little bag says, Carrot Patch, Co-op. And there it is, the Carrot Patch Co-op. Wolfie and Dot went to the Carrot Patch. Dot was picking one last carrot when Wolfie's mouth opened wide. I knew it, cried Dot. On guard! But Wolfie wasn't looking at Dot. Do you know what the shirt on this creature says? Yummy bunny. Who is that? Maybe that's the villain. Dinner! Roared the bear. It was Dot's chance to run away. Instead, she ran forward. Let him go, Dot demanded, or I'll eat you all up. The bear blinked. You're a bunny, he said. I'm a hungry bunny, said Dot. But I'm bigger than you, said the bear. I'll start on your toes, said Dot. Help! Cried the bear. She's going to eat me all up! Oof. Dot relaxed as the bear ran away. We're safe, she said. Then Wolfie pounced. Come on, little brother. Let's go home and eat. What do you think? Was there a hero in this story? How about a villain? Was it who you thought it would be? When I saw the cover of this book, I thought, oh, surely this wolf is disguised as a bunny so he can eat them for a snack. He must be the villain, but I was wrong. Sometimes you can't judge a book by its cover or judge a wolf by his teeth. I also brought along some other titles that have to do with heroes and villains and explore that complicated topic. So I brought them along with me so I could show you, and you could check them out from Alamosa Public Library. Or if you're not in our valley, maybe the library near you has some of these books. Let's see. We've got Alan's Big Scary Teeth by Jarvis. It's one of my favorites. Do you think Alan is a villain? There's The Little Bit Scary People by Emily Jenkins. It's a great one that teaches you not to judge a person by their cover. Dylan the Villain by K.G. Campbell. Super funny. The Bad Seed by Jory John. Always a funny favorite. And this is a new one, The One Stop Story Shop. We just got it in. It's still got its new sticker on it. It's about this knight who wants to be a hero and goes to fight the dragon, but the dragon's on vacation. So who's going to be the villain in that story? You can check out all of these stories and more to continue to explore heroes and villains. Also, if you still feel like singing and dancing a little more, check out Patty Shukla's superhero song on YouTube. We've posted the link below. But beware, it will get stuck in your head. And when it does, head outside and sing it for yourself and act it out. That would be really fun. Well, last thing before we sing our goodbye song, grab your Weekends on the Rio passport if you have one. If you don't, give the library a call and turn to the page that says Other Fun Events. Something just fell out of my passport. Guess what? This looks like another clue from our wandering friend, Larry the Library Gnome. As I was saying, make sure you put a stamp for yourself in your passport for participating in Storytime Online. Now, what does Larry have to say this week? It's true what they say, that it's where the heart is. There's no place like it. Until the next adventure, kids. Well, until our next adventure. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug. Blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, sweet baboon. Out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear. Wave goodbye, butterfly. Goodbye. Psst. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. My bunny fight. Every time.